You filming the goose?
Yeah.
And that is how Joel does do these 60 seconds. Very cool, isn't it? So there is a tool changer here without any tools. Is it changing anything? I think it does. If it's going so fast, is it called fast jamming?
Yeah.
It's called riff?
Yeah.
We kept doing that, and it has grown strength to strength ever since then, employing hundreds of people over the years, which has been really lovely, and many of which I've seen here over the last couple of days, which has been really lovely to see. And I've heard some very, very touching stories as to how Sanjay affected people's lives, how he motivated them, how he was the person who enabled them to come out of their shell. It's been a really, really lovely thing to hear over the last few days. So we then also kind of created this community, and this community has joined yes, the people that join these festivals and that come along, obviously all of you guys here are the ones that make these festivals what they are. It's a real testament to each and every person here as to how accepting we are of one another, of one another's intricacies and oddities, which often come from varying neurodivergencies.
That was day 2 for SMRRF. I packed up all my things and I'm going now back to Heathrow Airport. So at this moment I'm at Heathrow airport. I'm going to wait for the night for my plane to departure. It's dark outside on Heathrow Airport. It's very quiet here, even though it's around, 9 o'clock in the evening. So I brought my rental car back to the rental car company. Yeah, there was a little thing, but I'm not going to talk about it. Because I was tired, I wanted to bring the car back, and I was like, yeah, let's go for the alternative. So, yeah. Now the waiting game starts again because my plane leaves at 10 a.m. in the morning. I need to be here at Heathrow Airport at 9:30. And knowing myself, driving here, bringing the car back, maybe also trouble on the roads, I was like, let's bring the car back. Let's go today, this evening, on Sunday evening, back to the airport. And wait there because it's much more convenient for me, and I don't mind waiting. Patience is key.